Trending AI news, LLM and OpenAI in the last 24 hours. In the rapidly evolving world of artificial intelligence, AI, staying updated is crucial. In the last 24 hours, several significant developments have taken place in the field of large language models, LLMs, and OpenAI. Let's dive into these trends, discussing OpenAI's upcoming AI video generator, Sora, the best LLMs available in 2024, and the impact of Chinese AI startup Moonshot AI's massive funding round. Announcing Sora, OpenAI's upcoming AI video generator. OpenAI has recently announced its latest project, Sora, an AI video generator set to change the game in the world of generative AI models. Following the successful release of DALL-E 2, Sora is poised to revolutionize the way videos are created by enabling users to generate high-quality, customized videos with minimal effort. The potential applications of this technology span across various industries such as marketing, education, entertainment, and more. While OpenAI has not yet released many details about Sora, they have emphasized their commitment to responsible AI development. As part of this commitment, they are ensuring that Sora is used responsibly and in alignment with societal values. This focus on responsible AI development highlights the importance of striking a balance between technological innovation and the well-being of society. Best large language models, LLMs, available in 2024, GPT-4 leads the pack. The best large language models, LLMs, available in 2024 have recently been revealed, with OpenAI's GPT-4 model taking the top spot. With capabilities in complex reasoning understanding and advanced problem-solving skills, GPT-4 is a formidable AI language model. It has shown remarkable performance in tasks that involve natural language processing, text generation, and more. The development of LLMs like GPT-4 represents a major step forward for the field of natural language processing and AI technology as a whole. These models are paving the way for new applications in various industries, from customer service chatbots to advanced research assistants. As LLM technology continues to advance, we can expect to see even more impressive breakthroughs in the future. Moonshot AI raises over $1 billion US, a game changer for the Chinese AI market? In a recent funding round led by Alibaba Group holding and venture capital firm Hong Shan, Chinese AI startup Moonshot AI has raised over $1 billion US. This massive investment highlights the potential impact that Moonshot AI could have on the competitive landscape of the AI industry, particularly in China. Moonshot AI plans to use these funds to expand its research and development efforts, focusing on cutting-edge AI technologies such as autonomous driving, robotics, and more. With this significant investment, the company aims to establish itself as a global leader in AI innovation and contribute to shaping the future of artificial intelligence. In conclusion, the last 24 hours have seen several exciting developments in the world of LLM and OpenAI technologies. As these trends continue to unfold, we can expect to see significant advancements in various industries, from entertainment to education. The responsible development and adoption of AI technology will be crucial in ensuring that these innovations benefit society as a whole while mitigating potential risks.